Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Audi A3 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after doing the installation. So tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, a link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep it, just apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, just start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so for this installation, we're just going to need the hood a little bit open. That way we're able to apply the film to the headlight here. So to start, apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution onto the tint film. And apply the film to the headlight. And just when you apply it, make sure it's aligned. So it should be something like this. So it should just fall perfectly in line, almost as you place it. So before we continue, we have to make sure this section here is aligned to the edge here of the headlight. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film and start tacking down this section here. And this is just to help secure this piece, so that way we can work on stretching the film a little bit to this side and then stretching it to that end. Okay, now that we secured this piece, let's move on with this installation. So stretch the film until you reach it to this end. Lift it carefully and apply tack solution. And then you will do the same for this section. That way we remove any fingers. If the film does get dry, lift it carefully and apply Slip Solution. Place it back down and stretch the film until you reach it to this edge. And all the fingers that we did have should disappear. And now apply tack solution, hold it in place and just start tacking it down. And just make sure you remove all of the air bubbles or water bubbles from the top film. Any fingers that are coming up, you can remove them as well. I'll show you how it should look like, and just lift the hood. So just make sure all the solution is gone. I recommend cleaning the headlight first. That way, once it's clean, double check and see if there's any water bubbles. If there is, you just go ahead and squeegee them out. And you just rinse and repeat until you remove all of the bubbles from behind the film. Apply tack solution so your squeegee glides and you're able to remove the bubbles. And that's pretty much it for this one. And now the last thing to do would be post heat the whole film. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and the film doesn't lift over time around the edges. So to post heat, all you need to do is apply tack solution around the film. Just be careful not to spray it on the electrical side of the vehicle. And you're going to need your heat gun to heat around the area, and your microfiber towel to help absorb any solution that's still coming off from the edges and just helping it tack down. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Audi A3. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.